Hello everyone, I'm Maria Melanie Barbero from Bukayabra, Philippines. I am OFW here in Kuwait and working in a chocolate factory. During my day off, I am attending my classes in Computer Secretarial in ICSA or International Institute of Computer Science and Administration. I choose this course because I want to learn more about computer. I also graduated in Bachelor of Elementary Education in 1998 in the Philippines. I was teaching for 6 years in the elementary and also 5 years of teaching here in Kuwait in preschool. One time, I saw a video in Facebook regarding the courses offered in ICSA, and I was thoroughly encouraged to enroll in Computer Secretarial course because I want to gain more knowledge and to upgrade myself as well. Now, I almost finished my course and I want to say thank you to my teacher, Miss Susan Rajay, who became my mentor in MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint. Thank you so much for your kindness, patience, and understanding. You are always there for me to guide me and teach me whenever I have mistakes in my lessons and my projects. I was so lucky and grateful because you became a part in every step of my journey. By September, I will work again in school and everything that I learned in computer, I will apply it. So for those who want to continue their studies, pursue your dreams, don't give up. Remember, education is a continuous process, no age limit. Just be patient, hard work, and most of all, believe in yourself for your success. So for your best learning center, I am highly recommend ICSA because all the staff are very much approachable, well-trained, high experience, and professionals. So once again, thank you so much ICSA for this opportunity that you have given me. God bless us all and mabuhay!